Hello everyone, welcome to Educare 247. Today I have come up with a good news for those who are preparing for government examination and they are worried that government is going to conduct the examination or not and how the government is going to conduct the examination. So here is the good news guys. TCS Ion Digital has conducted the first examination after COVID-19 on 11th June 2020. So mark this date. Now the online examination have been started. Those who thinks I am joking, here is the proof guys. You can see that Ion Digital has conducted AIMS PG entrance examination at 250 different centers and almost 40,000 students participated in this exam. Even a student body filed petition in High Court to postpone this exam, but High Court ruled in the favor of AIMS authority and said that there is no reason to postpone this examination, and they directed the Ion Digital to prepare their infrastructure according to social distancing norm. So basically Ion Digital are capable enough to conduct this examination in COVID pandemic, and other examination will also follow the suit. Now be ready for SBI PO, RBI grade B, SEBI grade A, FCI exam and other regulatory body and government body exam. You can see the admit card. I have managed to get one admit card. Exam was scheduled between 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. As I am recording the video, exam is going on and this is same like old process. You can see the date also 11th June. So this is very good news guys. Be ready for the exam. Now don't delay your preparation, start preparing and be ready for the future. Educare 247 has launched comprehensive course for RBI grade B examination 2020. This comprehensive course is useful for phase 1, phase 2 and interview, and this is the full video course. We are covering all the subjects related to RBI grade B examination like economy and social issues, finance and management, current affairs and general awareness, quant, logical reasoning, general English, descriptive English, and all the subjects will be covered in the form of video lectures. Notes will be also provided and 10,000 plus MCQs will be provided. Latest current affairs will be updated in the course. Yojana and Kurukshetra magazine will be covered in this course. Important government schemes will be covered in this course. RBI circular will be covered in this course. 10 phase 1 test and 5 phase 2 mock test will be there. Descriptive English mock test will be there, and the student who will clear phase 2 examination, they will get the chance for mock interview session. So this is the comprehensive package for RBI grade B examination, and the course fee is 3999. Basically the course fees is 4999, but right now on our website we are running a discount. You don't have to use any coupon code. Directly you can visit Educare 247 and get the discount and subscribe this very important course for RBI grade B examination.